What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of Crisis Brigade 2. This time, I don't know, we're actually taking on like a mob boss, I don't know. Also, I brought a riot shield with me. I figured that would work a lot better than just relying on cover. And it does, as I said. There's one right there. I saw him.
Oh, crap. Hurry up.
Okay, we're gonna go that way then. The deal will be this way. The reception, maybe? Hopefully it's the reception. Is this a reception desk? It is. Holy crap, I actually got that one right. Crap, my man got way too close, bro. My man got way too close and he just got absolutely destroyed. Come on. Ooh, this works. Forward we go. I like having the riot shield.
Slow motion. Use it.
Yeah. Anyways, this is a good time to remind you guys that I have a subscribe goal. If I can reach 100 subscribers, I will make a Discord where you guys can play VR games with me, which might be fun, or just games in general. I might not post them. I may only post VR stuff, but you know, do like this, I wouldn't mind. So, you know, if you want to see that, subscribe, you know? That should be cool.
One more, and you can move on.
So yeah, at 200 subscribers, I'm gonna start a D&D podcast, which I'll get more info. But I'm just gonna give a hint that I'm actually gonna have people who want to do it with me. So it might take place on record. It might be oh. The elevator. Alright, cool. That's not a smart move, but it works, I guess.
A secret door.
Okay, well, when you put it that way, I guess that's not as... Oh, yeah. I like the elevator music.
This is his office. He is ours now.
Wanna play games? Okay, I play with you.
Go, 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 go.
Y me vais a comer.
That's enough. Freeze. Oh, he's not freezing. Did I just kill him? That was...
As fast as you can.
I just freaking killed him with a single bullet.
The last enemy is still alive.
You're okay, girl. They're fine. You guys are fine. They're fine. They're fine. We're good. None of them died. None of them look like they sustained any real injuries. Alright, freeze. Oh, they're not freezing. Their boss is dead, and they still want to shoot me.
Another problem taken care of.
Okay, this riot shield makes everything so much easier.
Going to help you.
What does it do?
Finish the job.
This is just really fun. I really like this game, actually. The riot shield really helps. I'm gonna be honest. There's another guy. Hopefully he's not like cannon fodder like the last guy.
You want to take me? You need an army to take me.
Holy shit, he's still alive. Kill
Ow.
that bastard.
I shot him. I shot him with a laser.
You must honor their sacrifice.
That man didn't sacrifice himself. He stood in the way as he... That man stood in the way. I love the riot shield. You can call it a chicken move, but there's a reason why police...
Use it. Bullet time.
There's a reason why police use it.
Come
Definitely
on!
reasonable.
I take...
Seize the time.
You think you can kill me with bullets?
I just unloaded an entire mag on this
Take
guy.
this! Vamos,
There's
mierda,
still
cerda!
one alive.
I'm good. He didn't hit me.
Kill me with bullets?
I mean, I took a samurai down with a minigun.
You
I'm
want
sure I
more?
could take a drunken idiot with an assault rifle.
Okay!
Yeah, I can. I told you to surrender. How are you not dead?
Okay, let's play! Come on, cockroach! This is not cool, man. I'm not okay.
What does he have in his hands? I saw something
But I
beeping.
have a present for you. Come to hell with me!
Oh,
Self-destruct sequence has been activated. All staff, please evacuate this facility immediately.
God.
3 minutes to self-destruction.
well. Oh, yeah. Leave it to underground, you know?
Beware of bombs. You will kill us all.
Oh, shoot. I gotta kill these guys fast so I don't hit bombs.
Ouch! That hurts.
Holy crap, I'm destroying these guys. Well, I need you guys to get out of the way. I need to get that guy out of here.
Shoot as fast as you can. Just one more.
He's all the way down the end of the hall. I saw him. Hello? Got him. Alright, sit. Go, go, go. That wasted a lot of time. That wasted a lot of time. Was that guy just didn't want to move out. Oh, crap. Yep, we're not done yet.
2 minutes to self-destruction.
This one will not save anything else.
I can't hit those bombs, bro.
Beware of bombs. You will kill us all.
I know.
Don't let the last enemy escape.
Go, 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 go. This one's gonna come down to the wire, I think. Oh, yeah, it is.
We were looking for.
Oh, crap. There's a bomb right there. Good thing my aim is nice. Why is there bombs everywhere?
So uncivilized. Beware of bombs. You will kill us all.
They're doing that on
Beware of
purpose.
bombs. You will kill us all.
I know.
Beware of bombs. You
It's
must
fine,
kill
it's
everyone
fine.
to continue.
Self-destruction override.
What? Boss battle? I killed that guy. I killed him twice.
I can't believe it. He is back. Beware of bombs. You will kill us all. Beware. You have to kill all the bad guys to continue.
I don't got time for this.
You can't do anything with bullets. Use the bazooka.
Say goodbye. Hasta la vista, baby.
Make sure you're dead this time.
Mission accomplished.
Oh
Well
my
done.
God.
Let's go back to base.
Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh, the body is missing. Oh my god. Holy. Alright, if you guys did enjoy, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.